Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got a little unbagging for you from the lovely folks over at ISUVIO. Now I have done an unboxing from ISUVIO before. It was from their paint by numbers range. I will link that up in the eye so that you can go and check that out. That was a really lovely custom paint by numbers canvas that I did. I really enjoyed that one. And now I thought I would take a look at their diamond painting range. So come with me as I unbox this and we'll see what they have on offer. So let's get into here. Oh, this is some tough. Yeah, no, scissors. Needing scissors for this one. I'm not strong enough. Let's get in there. There we go. So, what's in here? Oh, very nice. We do love a little fluffy bag. This looks like it's going to be our diamond painting kit. This is a lovely soft kind of velour fabric. In here, what have we got? We've got a sparkly diamond painting pen with a single brass tip. We have got I think it's probably a 10 placer, maybe 9 or 10 placer for the other end. We've also got, that's probably a 6. We've got a bit of a squishy that you can put on to save your fingers. We've got some plastic tweezers, which I'm not a fan of, but they will work if you don't have anything else. And we've got a single piece of red heart wax in a little caddy. And then a little tiny tray. So everything that you need if you are new to diamond painting, this would be the perfect little startup. Very good indeed. And we've got our drills. This is a square drill kit. You can see we've got DMCs on there. Interesting. And then this is the project that I've gone for. Something I've not done before, something a little bit different. There's our diamond key. So this is a calendar which fits together like this. It should do. Once I've bent it into shape a little bit. There we go. So we've got a 2026 zodiac DIY calendar. So then for each month you get a month to view, and then on the other side you get your diamond painting of the star sign for that month. So we've got Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, I like that one, Virgo, not sure that this is, oh I see, yeah there is, it doesn't show up so well in the charting, but that does say VIR. I can make it out. Be interesting to see how that comes through when it's got drills on it. We've got Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius. There we go. So we've got 12 little mini diamond paintings to do. It will be interesting to see how it is working with them on the rings here. They do have a clear coat. They are poured glue by the looks of it. And obviously they are square drill. I have done minis before, so I'm not completely new to doing tiny diamond paintings. And yeah, obviously we've got all of these lovely bright colours to use. I think this is a really nice set. It's quite reasonably priced. It's £28, but for that you are getting 12 mini diamond paintings and a calendar for the year. So I think that's very reasonable. If you're not into star signs, they also have it available in a 12-month butterfly calendar and a 12-month plant calendar. And if diamond painting's not your thing, they also have paint by numbers versions. Paint by numbers is what I knew ISUVIO for before I realised that they did diamond painting as well. So it's well worth going and checking that out. I'm really pleased with this little kit. I'm looking forward to working on it. I think this is probably something that would be fun to work on throughout a whole year and actually doing one per month, rather than trying to get it all done between now and December so that I can start it using it as a calendar in January. I think I might have it as an ongoing project. But let me know down in the comments, how would you do it? Would you diamond paint the whole thing in one go, or would you do it as a monthly project? I think maybe if you were going to gift it to somebody, it would be nice if you worked on the whole thing and then you could gift them the completed calendar, or perhaps just gift them the kit and let them do it themselves. Perhaps that's something, you know, this would make a brilliant Christmas gift for somebody that they could then work on throughout the rest of the year. So I'm going to leave this here. Thank you so much for joining me for this unboxing. Thank you to everybody that supports me over on Patreon and here as channel members. You guys are the very best. If anyone would like to join them, you can do so from just 99p per month. I will send you some stickers no matter where in the world you are, and you will get early access to all of my videos. So thank you once again to ISUVIO for letting me test out this product for them. And until next time, stay crafty.